Hey friends, I am Elena from Express Naukri. Nowadays use of computer or laptop is important part of our life. And on computer or laptop there are many shortcuts to save our typing time. So today we will learn shortcuts of common control key. So let's start. Ctrl A. These two keys will select all text or other objects. Ctrl B. For bold highlighted text.
Ctrl C. Copy any selected text or another object. Ctrl D. For keyboard shortcut like bookmark an open web page or open font window in Microsoft Word.
Ctrl E. Center side text alignment. Ctrl F. To find out something in file. Ctrl G. For group and option go to. Ctrl H. To replace the word in Notepad, Microsoft Word, and WordPad. Ctrl I. For italic text. Ctrl J. To set justify alignment in Microsoft Word. Ctrl K. To create a hyperlink. Ctrl L. For left side alignment of text. Ctrl M. You can use this to create a new slide. Ctrl N. Create a new page or document. Ctrl O. Open a file in most programs. Ctrl P. Open a print window to print the page you're viewing. Ctrl Q. To quit the running process. Ctrl R. Right side text alignment. Ctrl S. To save the document or file. Ctrl T. Create a new tab. Ctrl U. To make underline on selected text. Ctrl V. Paste any text or another object that has been copied. Ctrl W. Close tab or window. Ctrl X. Cut selected text or another object. Ctrl Y. These keys will redo any undo action. Ctrl Z. You can use this to undo the previous action. Friends, if you like this video, please press the like button, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.